Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Today you have Bitcoin but with line break method. We are going to see something new, and before we begin, do not forget to join our monthly subscription. Links in the description box or in the comment section. You can either join Patreon/MindYourCrypto, buy me a coffee/MindYourCrypto, or buildmindyourcrypto.com. The only difference is that you will be paying with another method. For example, buy me a coffee doesn't have PayPal, okay, but Patreon has it, so you can join Patreon as well. And of course, you will get tons of benefits, including an automated system with 200 altcoins to buy and sell, introducing new short positions. Now you will get benefits from bearish markets and easy profits from bearish markets as well. Educational videos to become expert in the technical analysis and hold your future in your hands. Market updates, manual system with over 90% win ratio, personal guidance every day. And of course, you will also get random giveaways, spam scripts, and many other benefits. Thank you for watching. Have a fantastic day wherever you are. Let's go right now to see Bitcoin. Now we are in the ordinary type of candlestick patterns. You can see here we are on the daily frame. So each candlestick represents 1 day of price action. And I have drawn the gun fan that we all love. From this bottom, okay, back on 20 July to this top back on 10 November. I have squared the chart from the bottom to the top and I draw the gun fan. The last 8-1 support level gun fan line sits at around 33.5k, you can see here, and goes like this to 34k as well. So right here we are on the logarithmic scale. Okay, so right here you can choose the logarithmic instead of regular, and we are having the last support level. You can see how beautifully we found sell pressure as well on the 4-1 and went a little bit down. Okay, so what is next right now? I'm going to keep the gun fan. Actually, I'm going to keep this line right here, the bottom line that we all want, okay, from this bottom up to this top right here. Okay, this is the only gun fan line that we want to hold for now, and I'm going to delete the gun fan. And we are going right now to see a little bit of the line break. This is a new candlestick type, alright, that it is not taking into consideration the time. While on the daily frame, on the regular bar pattern, okay, the regular candlestick actually pattern, we have each candlestick actually containing 1 day of price action. Here we do not have something like that. These bars do not contain the time. Instead, they have some closing conditions of the previous candlesticks. What I mean by that is that if the closing price is higher than the previous one, then we get a green one and so on. If not, it is red and we get a red candlestick, but they do not contain the time. When you go on the daily frame, that means that each bar, okay, the minimum between two bars could be 1 day, but that's it. Okay, it could be 30 days, it could be 13 days, or even more. On the weekly frame, it means that it's between two bars, okay, the minimum we can have is 1 week. Okay, so right here, it could be more than 1 week, it could be like 7 days, 10 days, 10 days, 1 month, maybe 1 month even to form one candlestick. Here you can see we had from 12 July up to 9 August. Why I like the line break pattern is that I love it because we can have actually for Bitcoin right here a very accurate idea about when it is going again higher. All right, and therefore what we have right now is that before in the history you can see that we had 4 red consecutive bars and then we went upwards. All right. At the same time, we had the green candlestick went up. Then consecutive red, green candlestick went up. Consecutive red candlesticks, okay, I'm calling them candlesticks because I cannot call them bars. I always forget that, okay, excuse me for that. But anyway, 4 consecutive bars, okay, and then we have the green and then we went upwards. So you can see by the time we have the next green on the weekly, that means we are probably again in an uptrend. What is different and the cons about this line break is that we might have gone 30% upwards, but still not have formed the green candle. Okay, this is the only problem with the line break. You might catch up the bull run a little bit later, but at the same time it is so accurate that it is better to catch up a little bit later than trading a little bit earlier and losing money in the process. Okay, so perhaps you should be waiting. Of course, we have the short positions on the monthly subscription. Join us, buy me a coffee/mindyourcrypto or Patreon/mindyourcrypto or buildmindyourcrypto.com. Either link will be fine and you can get tons of benefits. So let's go back onto the Bitcoin. So right here we are on the weekly frame, and by the time we see the next green bar, we are going upwards. Okay, let's go back on the candlestick patterns, and what we have here is this line right there. This line on the daily frame is a very interesting and very actually important line. If we lose this line and go beyond this, then we are probably going to go further down from the 33.5 towards the 31k. All right, so therefore we could potentially have another mini crash. Then we could have the flat regular pattern right here with the same bottom, a higher high right there, and then the continuation. Okay, these are the regular types of flat patterns right here with the same bottom, and then we can go potentially having higher highs and higher lows and go even higher. At the same time right here for Bitcoin, that is on the daily frame, we have a little bit of an oversold situation, but you can see that the lower low and lower high for Bitcoin continues. Okay, and on the daily frame we have not seen yet the daily going higher. Maybe here we are about to see a daily bullish RSI divergence with a higher low pattern in the RSI, but a lower low pattern in the price, and therefore we drop further down, maybe into the 31.6. I'm just saying a random number, and then we go higher. But let's see what will be the next support level. Let's say that we lose the 33.5k and we want to find out major support levels. I believe that we are going to go down to the 31.6k that we talked about before. All right, especially here. Once we get below this yellow line right here, that you can see the support levels are 33.8, 33.7k for now, and they continue to go upwards because GANFAN as support lines, they include the time. That's why you are not seeing horizontal lines right here of support levels, and you are seeing support levels with an angle because they include the time. All right, that's what you have to be careful, and that's what you have to take into consideration right there. They include the time. All right, so therefore once we have these lines right here, the 33.7k, if we fall down, then we are going to the 31.5k, maybe then to the 30.6, and maybe there we have the swing high that we all expect. On the time being, Bitcoin is not bullish yet, and if we go to Ethereum, just for a few words right here, it will follow of course the Bitcoin trend. Ethereum right now is in an extreme oversold. We have to seen that for Ethereum since long time ago, since the 10 March 2020. Okay, this is where we saw Ethereum last time going below the 30s. After that, we were seeing Ethereum going even higher all the time getting higher lows, but here you can see the fall. Okay, here it was the fall forming lower highs each time that was where we were having the bearish RSI divergence, continuous bearish RSI divergence right here, but the major ones were in the weekly frame. Anyway, we are going back to the daily RSI. You can see now extreme oversold for Ethereum. Okay, we should be having the swing high that we were talking about. Now we are near the July levels, not so close, but the July levels were around 1.8k. You can see that we even approached the 2.159. Okay, extreme bearish market that we are having right now, but either way, just bear with us right here in the channel and things will get better. Do not worry about that. Back to Bitcoin. Right now things are a little bit uncertain due to the fact that we have the 50 EMA as a resistance level again. A crash could be possible. However, right now I feel like the days are coming where Bitcoin should be going a little bit higher again, maybe after one more drop down, maybe after one more crash towards the 31.6k to 30k's. If that's so, we won't be having the flat running pattern, okay, with higher lows right? Higher highs, sorry, higher lows right here, and then we approximately go higher. We won't be having that pattern. However, we might be having this or even this, where we get a little bit below at 26k, let's say, for example, and then we go higher. Okay, but anyway, we still hold the running flat pattern right here. We still hold the possibility to get a little bit of a higher low right here and pump our way upwards. I truly believe, and I personally believe, I will be a little bit bearish with that, but I believe that we won't be approaching the 69k anytime soon enough. Okay, I believe that we are going to see a major swing high, but the 69k is not going to be approached by this year. Probably for me, maybe if we have a chance, should be on September 2022, around there, but I personally do not believe that we will be going so easily upwards to the 69k. Thank you so much for watching. Have a fantastic day wherever you are. See you soon with many more videos. Bye.